Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss a problem that is related to sequences and series, and the problem is which one number will complete the following number series, and the number series are given by 4, 11, 7, 14, 10, 17. Means we are given 6 numbers and we are asked to find the 7th one, and we are given the 4 options. Okay, and one of the following is the correct one. Now students, after observing the series, I get to the conclusion that it actually follows two patterns. The two patterns are given by, I have represented here one pattern with a blue pen and the other one with a green one. Now students, if we observe this pattern like 4, 7, 10, then I get to know that 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. 10 minus 7, that is equal to 3. Actually the common difference between every two terms is the same, so it is actually an arithmetic sequence. Okay, in a similar manner, if we look upon at the green one, then 14 minus 11, that is equal to 3, and 17 minus 14, that is also equal to 3. Means both of these are arithmetic sequences with the common difference of 3. Now students, we want to find the next term, and the next term will be 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. Okay, and this is our required answer, that is option number B.